Hi guys, welcome back to another video and thank you so much for watching. As you can see, I am back at my car, so that just means that we are going shopping. But this time I'm just gonna go to a local nail supply here close to home. It's about 3 to 4 aisles, so it's not that big, but I like it because it has like Glam and Glitz, Kiara Sky, D&D polishes, so a lot of name brands. So I wanted to go in there and see what I can find because I'm still looking for some stuff that I need and maybe just buy extra stuff that I don't need. But I wanted to bring you guys along because it looks like you guys enjoyed the last video and I had so much fun doing it. I felt like I was actually shopping with you guys, you know. So yeah, I wanted to bring you guys along one more time. So this is the local nail supply store that I'm gonna be going to, which is right behind me. And hopefully they let me record. If they don't let me record, I'll try to sneak in a little bit of clips just so you guys can see. But they have a lot of stuff in there for being so small. So let's go in and see what goodies we can find. Okay guys, so I'm in the store and the first thing I find is a butterflies, which I think I'm gonna get. They have all kind of colored butterflies. And they have little rhinestones down here. Oh, and they have the neon butterflies. Oh my gosh. And they have, it looks like they might have some beads here. So yeah, oh, and some dried flowers here. So I'm getting all of this. I just need a cart. Little feathers that I'm gonna get. So I'll probably get the purple, green, and red, and check for other colors too. And they have a lot of stickers, so we'll see what I end up getting. And they have a lot of buffers. I'm thinking of getting these because they're small and you really don't need those big old blocks to buff, you know, a set of nails, because eventually you're just gonna end up throwing this away, and I hate to throw a big block of buffer away. So I'll probably just get this one. And then they have all this, what is it called, Gelexer nail polishes. I've never tried these, so if you guys have tried them, let me know how they work. But they have a lot of colors. So you guys, last time I came here they did not have Igel Beauty, and now they have a whole case of them, so I might grab a couple of colors. That's so awesome. Okay, so now I'm in the gel polish collection, and it's the D&D polishes that I've never tried either. I'm not sure how much they are here. They don't have the prices. I would have to ask, but they have a lot of them. And here we are in the Kiara Sky section. I haven't tried Kiara Sky products either, but I don't know if I'm gonna get any today. I have so much powder, it's crazy. But this is a pretty color. They have so many pretty colors, but I already have some of these similar colors with Igel Beauty and Glam and Glitz. So here I'm just looking, they got OPI gel polishes. I'm loving these nudes, but I don't really do gel polish like that, so again, I don't know if I'm gonna get any, but I'm loving these purple colors, you guys. My favorite color. And then over here, this is where I got my Glam and Glitz powders. I pretty much have all of these. So I might get a few more colors. We'll see. But I think these 1 ounce ones are like $5. So we'll see if I come out with anything. Hey guys, welcome back. So I am back from shopping. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys what I ended up coming home with. Some stuff I needed, some other stuff I didn't, and that just always happens. When it comes to nail stuff, I end up getting stuff that I really don't need, but I want it. So the first thing that I got here is the dried flowers. I do have some right now in my drawer, but I wanted to get these particular colors. I really love the orange and the blue. I don't know if you guys can see them, and that purple. Well, they're all very pretty. I don't think I have these neutral colors. So yeah, I thought these were super cute, and I only got one pack. The next thing that I got is this lint-free wipes, and it looks like they look like the ones that I already got from Amazon, and they might actually be the same, but I got 2 packs of these because I was running out. So yeah, we'll see if they're lint-free, but I think they're the same ones that I got from Amazon. The next thing up is this. I got these little containers. I like these because I want to put my charms in these, and they're clear, top and bottom. They're all clear. And then they come in this little container too, where you can place them in, and you don't have to worry about being all over your drawer. So yeah, I got these. I thought they were super cute. And they're small, so they're perfect for my charms. And you just unscrew it, and you can just put it back in here. So that's the reason why I got it. And I got 2 of those, so my charms will be going in here. Next thing that I got is these butterflies. When I first went into the store, I showed you guys that I saw these. That was the first thing that I saw. And the ones that caught my attention first was these neon ones, especially these black ones. I don't have black butterflies, so these definitely caught my attention. They're super cute, and it's a lot of colors too, and they also come in a clear case where you can put them up. And then I got this second set, more of blues and purple tones. So yeah, I thought these were super cute. So I just got 2 of these, and I love them, and I can't wait to use them. Next up, I got these little containers. I'm either gonna use them for charms or just loose glitter that I have that came in baggies. And the reason I got these is because, again, they're clear and they're stackable, so I liked that. And so you can just go ahead and unstack them if you want to. And I got 2 packs of these. I might need more because I do have a lot of loose glitter, or some that came in baggies and not in containers. So that's what I'll be using these for. And again, I thought they were super cute. Everything is cute. When it comes to nail stuff, everything is cute. Next, I got these feathers. I got a purple one, a green one, not sure what, I guess another purple one, and a yellow. This is just a lighter purple. So I was thinking about encapsulating these and see how that goes. But yeah, I thought this was super cute. I had seen a design that had to do with feathers, so we'll see how that goes. They had more colors, but I wanted to try them out first before I bought any more colors. So yeah, I just got that. And next thing I got is I got glue because I am running out of glue. I didn't want to wait for it to come you know, in Amazon. So I got these. It's not Cadius glue. I don't think they had any there. So we'll see how this works. Let me see what the brand is. The brand just says KM. If you guys heard of this brand and you guys know if it works or not, let me know down in the comments, but I have no idea. I've never used it before, so we'll see what the outcome is of these glues. So yeah, I got glue. Next, I got this Kiara Sky Chrome Powder. If you're interested, this is the number of it. I have a lot of chrome powders already, but I don't think I have anything like this one, and I only got one of them. So I'm gonna try it out and see how it works. But he showed me a sample at the store, and I obviously liked it, and I grabbed it, so we'll see. But I got that. Next thing that I got is this cuticle remover. I wanted to try it on myself first, of course. I have never tried cuticle remover before, and I don't know what brands are really the ones that work. If you guys know, let me know. But this is the brand that they had there, so I'm planning to use it on myself first and see how it goes. And so yeah, this is what I got. And next I just got 2 more of these pump bottles. I wanted one for my acetone and one for alcohol. I know in my last haul I got a spray bottle for my alcohol, which I also love, but I wanted one of these too. So I got 2 more of these. Next thing that I got is this IBD hard gel. I probably won't use it for its purpose of, you know, of putting it on the nail to build it. I'm probably gonna use it just to seal the rhinestones, which I heard you can also use it for that, and it works very well. If I don't use it for the rhinestones, then I'll probably use it for its purpose. But I got this, and it's a pretty good size container. I've been wanting to get it. It's been sitting in my Amazon cart for months now, but they had it at the store, so I just decided to get it. And so the last thing that I got some Igel Beauty powders along with Glam and Glitz powders. The last time that I went to that store, they didn't have the Igel Beauty powders there, so well, not that I noticed. So I did get a few colors, and like I said, I got a few colors of the Glam and Glitz, which I'm gonna be swatching for you guys, so you guys can see. But I did get a few. Actually, I got a lot more of the Glam and Glitz than I did the Igel Beauty, but so I'm gonna be swatching that for you guys. And then the very last thing that I got from there, I don't know if you guys can see. Let me see if I can zoom out. Well, no, I can't. It's just this little tray thing that I got just to place my implements or whatever, or use it for, I don't know. I'll use it for something, that's for sure. So yeah, these are the powders that I got, and I'm probably going to be swatching them for you guys so you guys can just take a look to see what I got. Okay guys, so like I told you, I did buy a couple of Glam and Glitz powders, so I'm just going to go ahead and swatch them for you guys right now. And what I like to do before swatching them is I like to shake them, so that's what I'm going to be doing. So the first one is called Popsicle, and it's a very bright orange. And it looks like it's marbling just a little bit. Next one is Wetsuit. Very pretty blue. Next one is Cashmere. And it's a very pretty glitter. I've been looking for something like this for a while. Next one is Auto Expose. I actually love that color. Next one is a Water Park. Next one is a Daisy. Oh, I love this one too. It's super bright. Next one is Bright Lights. Next one is Palm Tree. And it looks like this one might have a shimmer to it. It's very pretty color. And the last one for Glam and Glitz is Blue Rain. So there you go. So these are all the Glam and Glitter ones. The orange one marbled just a little bit, but not bad. So, I mean, I can deal with that. But the rest of the colors are very beautiful, very bright. This glitter, I love it. I've been looking for something like that. So, yeah, those are the ones I got. And also, I don't know if I mentioned, I probably did. I got some powders from Glam and Glitz. I mean, sorry, not Glam and Glitz, Igel Beauty. So I'm also going to be swatching those. This one is called Arabian Nights. So this is on the darker side. Next one is called Miss Kelly. And I love this color too. Very pretty color. Next one is Harmonic Tan. Oh, this is a very pretty light brown. I love it. Next one is Tequila Sunrise. Oh, and I love this color. I don't know why, but it reminds me of pumpkin spice. I think some of you were asking about a burnt orange or something like that. I don't know if you guys were interested in a fall color, but this would be it if you guys were interested in. I love this color. And then the last one for Igel Beauty is Peach Blossom. Oh, look at this color. It's so pretty. So light, so pastelish. I love it. All right, guys. So the top row is Glam and Glitz, and then the second row is Igel Beauty. So I hope you guys liked these colors. I hope that you guys liked my little haul that I did, enjoyed shopping with me again. But yeah, that is it for my video for today. If you guys liked anything, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, if you guys have any questions, you can always ask in the comments down below. And again, thank you so much for watching, and you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you.